Dear EFL Youth Voices Media Project participants, congratulations with completing the first online module as part of our initiative. Thank you for sending your profile pictures. We placed all of them on the project blog, and you could see now not just your colleagues from Moldova, but also the faces of the teachers who joined our initiative from other continents. We also placed the flags of their countries for you to see, and some of them are still joining, so we might have more people by the end of September. And then we will start collaborating. We will create international teams, and you will have the opportunity to connect your students to their peers from around the globe. So just to introduce you to our new assignment, as you remember, the first assignment was completed on the Iron Forums because we wanted to have access to the international partners. So if you look at the teacher forum, you could see our project forum, and you see that our team placed over 130 messages. So this is the description of the project, and then you could see everyone from Moldova and from around the world posting introductory messages, and of course all the tasks included in assignment 1. So this is how we communicate with our peers from around the world using the Iron Forum. This was the teacher forum, as you can see on your left side. And now the good news is that we created a special place for our project. So you could see our new logo, which is right over here. You see Iron Moldova logo, EFL Youth Voices, and all the participating countries. So assignment number 2 will take place also on the Iron forums, but this time we will move to the project forum, and I will send you all the details by email. So on the left side you will see English as a Foreign Language EFL Youth Voices project. So this is our project forum. If you click here, and I will send you the link by email, you will be able to see the first assignment, which most of you have already completed. So starting today, you will be working on assignment 2. The deadline for completing this assignment is September 17, so you have 2 weeks to work on all those 4 tasks included in assignment 2. Now, for your convenience, the assignment and the tasks will be posted on the blog on online modules with all the details and the links. So this is the blog. This was assignment 1 that most of you have already completed, and we have just finished assignment number 2. So deadline is September 17. As you can see, you have 4 tasks. The first task, you will have to create a photo introduction with your students. We did this in the past with other projects, and it was a wonderful experience. And we even saved a few pictures for you to see. So what we need to do is to encourage students to create a poster and then take a group picture with the poster. The poster should include the name of our project, EFL Youth Voices, should include the flag of the country, because there will be students from all around the globe who will join our students, and then the name of the school. So, name of the project, the flag, and everything that you want us to know about your students. Accompany that picture, that photo introduction, with a short message. So tell us a few words about your students, what they like doing, how they like to learn, even their English level, what their hobbies are, and why, most importantly, why they're interested in learning how to create professional online digital stories. So when your photo introduction with your students is ready, that will take some time, so don't worry if you can't do it this week. You can do it next week. You can even do it after September 17. So when the photo introduction is done, the poster is done, you will post it on the project forum. So if you click on the blog, it will redirect you to assignment number 2. So task 1, student photo introduction. And as usual, you will click on add comment, and you will write a short paragraph about your students. Hello, for example, from let's say Ukraine. My students are from the 5th to the, let's say, 10th grade, and they like doing this, doing that. And then you attach the photo introduction, and you will take it right from your computer desktop or any other folder. So this is the first task, okay? Student photo introduction. Let's go back to the blog and see the second task. So the second task is, what are the 7 elements of digital storytelling? So there will be 2 documents that you will need to read or watch if it's about a video, and then you will have several examples of stories. All of these are digital stories, but they're all very different. So you will choose one story that you particularly like, and then you will explain how the 7 elements of digital storytelling are reflected in that particular story. So again, you will go back to the project form over here. Just follow the link and you will click on comment, and you will tell us about your favorite story and what the 7 elements of digital storytelling are. So my favorite story was and then you name it, and the 7 elements included in the story are, and then you explain how the story uses those elements to deliver its message. So that was task 2. What are the 7 elements of digital storytelling? Task 3. What types of digital stories can students create? You have 3 documents that you need to read or watch if it's a video, and then you will tell us. For example, this one is the University of Richmond Writing Center. So they explain 3 types of digital storytelling. So you'll read about these ones, and then you will read another wiki. We found an interesting article, very short and very easy for you to follow. So these types of narrative stories, and then you will also watch a video. And then instead of posting a text message, you will start experimenting with online tools. And there are 2 platforms that we recommend for you to use, either Vocaro or VoiceSpice. And you will narrate your voice when you will explain what the types of digital stories are there in the resources that you read. For example, if you click on VoiceSpice, you don't need to create an account. You don't need to do anything. You simply click on record. And I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is for you to do it. So you just click on record, and then you start talking, and you say, there are 3 or 4 or 5 types of digital stories, and they are, and you name them, and you can say anything you want about those stories and how you will use them. And then you click stop, and then you check the recording, you play, and then you start talking, and you say, there are 3 or 4 or 5 types of digital stories. Okay, so the recording is working just fine. I'm saving the recorder. Okay, all right. Now this is the recording. And you give it a name. For example, task 3, assignment 2, EFL Youth Voices. And then you write your name. All right, and then you wanted to make it public so that we can all listen to it. You save it, all right, which is very simple. And then you see the link. So you take the link, you copy the link, and you go back to our project forum, all right? And then in task 3, you say, this is task 3, okay? This is my audio message. All right, and then you simply place the link, or you can do the hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink sign, okay, and this is going to be a hyperlink. So whenever you click on it, then we will be able to listen. That's it, just the audio message. So take a few minutes to record your voice when you will be explaining everything you read on that particular topic. So going back to the module, what types of digital stories can students create? You can do the same thing with Vocaro, which is even easier. You do the same thing, you click on record. Again, you do not need to create an account on this platform. Click to record. All right, you allow the microphone to register your voice. So you talk about the types of digital storytelling that you found out from those resources. Stop, you can listen to register your voice. So you talk about, all right, and then when it's done and when you're satisfied with the quality of the recording, you click to save. Okay, and then you have the link. All right, so you have the link, you copy the link, and again you go back to the project forum, okay, and assignment 2, and then again this is my audio message, the same thing, this is my audio message. All right, and then you copy paste the link and you make it hyperlink, okay, just for us to be able to use it. And then you just post it, all right? Okay, and then you post the comment, all right? So task number 3, you will have to learn about the types of digital stories that your students can create, and then you tell us about those types using either a Vocaro platform or VoiceSpice platform. So you record your message, and on the form you place the link. And now we have the most challenging task, task number 4. Let's explore a few online tools for digital storytelling. In task 2, we gave you a few examples. So all of these movies are created using different platforms, different computer software. So now you will have to explore 3 platforms what we recommend, which is Storybirds, UTellStory, and Voicethread. You will explore all of them, and you will have to answer 3 questions. Which type of digital stories could be created with these platforms? How would you use these websites with your students? And what would be the advantages and disadvantages of each of those platforms? So you take the first platform, and then you explain how it works and how you would use it. All right, so this one uses art, and then your students choose a piece of art, and then they tell their story. Can be something they write, a poem or a narrative, an essay, anything. And then we have UTellStory. UTellStory uses both images, drawings, and pictures. So it will look something like that. And they can add text or they can add audio. All right, it looks like this. This is just an example, all right, of UTellStory project. And then the last one is Voicethread. So if you click on Voicethread, you will be able to see the details of this interesting platform, okay? So you will have to register, create an account, right? So when you create an account, you will be able to create a project that you will share with all of us. So going back to the last task, 3 platforms that you will explore: Storybird, UTellStory, and Voicethread. So you will examine all the 3 of them, and you will tell us how you will use them. And first we had text, and then we had audio, and now we have video. So you will have to create a Voicethread project, okay? So you will have 3 slides, no more than 3 slides, and you will record the slides using your voice, okay? Very simple. For example, if we have this one, okay, so if I take a presentation. So for example, you have 1 slide for UTellStory, 1 slide for Storybird, and 1 slide for Voicethread. And when you click on the slide, you will narrate it. How you will narrate it? You will use your video camera. So if you click on comment, and for example, if this is a picture, okay, you will click on plus and you will use the camera. So when you click on the camera, it will record you talking about that platform, okay? So you will create a video project using Voicethread. There will be 3 slides that you need to comment. The slides will refer to these 3 platforms: Storybird, UTellStory, and Voicethread, including Voicethread, and you will tell us how these websites can be used in digital storytelling. And you will do that by clicking on the video recording, and when it's saved, then you take the link, and again you go back to our project forum and you place it here, and you say, for example, task 4, create your own story, and then you simply click on add comment and you place the link over here. Okay, so good luck with the second assignment. You have time till September 17 to complete all 4 tasks, and your answers will be posted on the project forum. So the name of the forum should be on your left side, EFL Youth Voices, and you have the details here, and you just click on comment. We will also send you details by email, so do not worry if you get lost in details. We're still learning how this works. I'm wishing you the best of luck. Should you have any questions regarding any of those tasks, please write an email to Iron Moldova Gmail, right? And this is my Iron account, and we will get back to you with details, tutorials, anything that you need to successfully complete this assignment. Good luck and see you online on the